Hello, this is lecture 13, fourth sem, Mass 1, Unit 1, Vector Calculus 1, Vector Calculus 1 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Department of Mathematics. So already we have lecture 13. Now 4th sem Mass 1, Unit 1, Vector Calculus by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So in lecture 12 we discussed up to the problem 13, whereas now problem 14. Problem 14, if r bar is equal to a cos t I bar plus a sin t j bar plus a t tan alpha k bar, then find mod, the first problem, mod dr bar by dt cross d square r bar by dt square. Second problem, scalar triple product dr bar by dt, d square r bar by dt square, d cube r bar by d t cube. The solution is, let r bar is equal to a cos t I bar plus a sin t j bar plus a t tan alpha k bar. dr bar by dt is equal to minus a sin t I bar plus a cos t j bar plus a tan alpha k bar. Next, d square r bar by dt square is equal to minus a cos t I bar minus a sin t j bar plus 0 k bar. There is no t term in k bar. Next, d cube r bar by dt cube is equal to a sin t I bar minus a cos t j bar plus 0 k bar. So for the first question, mod dr bar by dt cross d square r bar by dt square. So let us find first of all dr bar by dt cross d square r bar by dt square with the help of determinant I bar j bar k bar. Second row, dr bar by dt I bar j bar k bar coefficients minus a sin t a cos t a tan alpha. Third row, minus a cos t minus a sin t 0 is equal to I bar into 0 plus a square tan alpha sin t minus j bar into 0 plus a square tan alpha cos t plus k bar into a square sin square t plus a square cos square t is equal to a square tan alpha sin t I bar minus a square tan alpha cos t j bar plus a square k bar. Take a square is common here, already k bar is there, a square k bar. Next, mod of dr bar by dt cross d square r bar by dt square is equal to root of so for this the dot product, so already this element is there, the dot product with itself is now root of a power 4 tan square alpha sin square t plus a power 4 tan square alpha cos square t plus a power 4 is equal to root of, so a power 4 is common from the first two terms, it is a power 4 tan square alpha into sin square t plus cos square t plus a power 4 is equal to, so this value is 1, from this a power 4 is take from the root, it is a square, root of a square, root of a power 4 is outside, so that remaining is 1 plus tan square alpha is equal to a square secant alpha, because 1 plus tan square alpha is secant square alpha as it is under root, so it is simply a square secant alpha. Next, second problem. Triple scalar product of dr bar by dt, d square r bar by dt square, d cube r bar by dt cube is equal to determinant dr bar by dt terms. In the first row, minus a sin t, a cos t, a tan alpha, minus a cos t, minus a sin t, 0 Next, a sin t minus a cos t 0 is equal to, so last column I will take to simplify the determinant, a tan alpha into a square cos square t plus a square sin square t is equal to a cube, as a square is take outside, a cube tan alpha into cos square t plus sin square t is equal to a cube tan alpha. This implies triple scalar product dr bar by dt d square r bar by dt square d cube r bar by dt cube is equal to a cube tan alpha. So side reading, partial differentiation of vector functions, is an important now onwards. 2 marks question and 5 marks question will be asking in examination in this partial differentiation of vector functions. Till now, ordinary differentiation of vector functions. So let us see that now. Let f bar of x comma y comma z be a vector function of scalar variables x comma y comma z. Next, if limit delta t tends to 0, delta x tends to 0, f bar of x plus delta x comma y comma z minus f bar of x comma y comma z whole divided by delta x exists, then this limit is called the partial derivative of f bar with respect to x, treating other variables y comma z are constants. It is denoted by dou f bar by dou x or fx. Dou f bar by dou x or fx, the partial derivative of f bar with respect to x. Similarly, we define other partial derivatives other partial derivatives of f bar with respect to y comma z or dou f bar by dou y and dou f bar by dou z in bracket, that is fx bar comma fy bar comma fz bar. The above are the first order partial derivatives of f bar with respect to x comma y and z. Next paragraph. The partial derivatives of dou f bar by dou x comma dou f bar by dou y comma dou f bar by dou z denoted by dou by dou x of dou f bar by dou x is equal to dou square f bar by dou x square and dou square f bar by dou y square comma dou square f bar by dou z square. Are called second order partial derivatives of f bar with respect to x comma y comma z. Also dou square f bar by dou x dou y is equal to dou square f bar by dou y dou x. Next, if f bar is equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar be a vector function of scalar variables, vector function of several variables where f1 of t comma f2 of t comma f3 of t or scalar function of scalar variables, scalar scalar function of scalar variables. Next, the scalar variability, actually scalar variability, even here is also scalar variability, right? Here dou f bar by dou t is equal to dou f1 by dou t I bar plus dou f2 by dou t j bar plus dou f3 by dou t k bar. That means the components only can be differentiated partially with respect to t. Right, thank you. Just you see the definitions of the partial derivatives and partial derivative of the vector functions. In the next class, we will see a few problems based on partial differentiation of vector functions. Thank you very much.